last night, woke up with a broken heart, knowing my luck, I've been doomed from the start. In this life you either live or die, you either touch the sky or stay on the ground. Hey, time is money, if I had it I'd spend it on you. I ain't grown up yet, but girl I am beginning to. And I've been praying, but I have been sinning too. So I chill, cause I don't know what else to do. Read what you sow, what you reap. Won't you let your actions speak, because all that talk is cheap. In the dark night sky, you are all that I see. Young love, hated broke, man, that's all I can be. But at least we're still young, and we're still here. It's just us now, baby. And they don't like it, but I'm excited. The time is right now, so we say. Some people like me, and some don't. But it's alright, that's just how it goes. Keep your enemies close when you're young, love, hated, and broke. Wipe those tears and make a toast. Pack your bags, now hit the road. You gotta let it go when you're young, love, hated, and broke. Da-da-da-da-da. Young, loved, hated, and broke. Da-da-da-da-da. Young, loved, hated, and broke. Fell asleep just now, woke up from a daydream. Everything in life ain't always what it may seem. Don't you know it's all give and take? We all make mistakes and we live and learn. Hey, go out and get it, man, don't just wait and see. I got it locked down cause I'm living so free. They try to kill my eye so I keep it low key, cause I never met a hater doing better than me. Do what you do, move how you move, love who you love, may all your dreams come true. In the hardest of times, may you always get through. Young love, hated, broke, man, I'm tryna tell you that at least we're still young.